In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display a limited timer in Google Forms. Whether you're creating a quiz, running an online exam, or you simply want to keep your participants on track, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. A timer can make your form feel more professional and help you control how long people spend on each submission. First, open Google Forms in your browser and create your form just like you normally would. You can add your questions, adjust your settings, and set up the structure of your quiz. Once you're ready to add the timer, look at the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the drop-down menu, select Get Add-ons. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, inside the Google Workspace Marketplace, search for Timer for Google Forms. You'll see an add-on designed specifically to add countdown timers to your form. Click Install and a small window will appear asking you to sign in and grant permissions. Follow the on-screen steps, they're straightforward, and everything is secure, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're signed in with a correct Google account and ensure that pop-ups are allowed in your browser. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once the add-on is installed, click on the puzzle icon at the top of Google Forms and choose Timer for Google Forms from the list. It may ask you to sign in again. This is normal. After that, a settings panel will appear on the right side where you can adjust the timer duration, customize the behavior, and choose how strict you want the timer to be. Set the time limit that fits your quiz or exam style. When you're ready, click on Preview at the bottom. A new tab will open showing exactly how your form will look with the active timer. You'll be asked to enter your full name, and once you do, you'll see the countdown timer running at the top of the page, perfect for testing everything before you publish your form. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to show a limited timer in Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?